Hi there, I'd love to invite you to a small business marketing workshop where I'll solve your biggest marketing problem, and I guarantee I'll make life easier for you with the strategies that I'll share. The biggest problem is that most marketing activities that you do will only convert towards a sale at about 2%. This is the reality. It doesn't matter if you're business to business, business to consumer, you're doing $50 million a year or you're yet to make your first sale. The reality is all of these top of the funnel marketing activities that most people think of when they think of marketing, they're doing well if they convert to an action which leads towards a sale at about 2%. So we need to get that number up. We need to get that up to like 10, 20%, and we need to own every bit of the traffic. What I mean by that is some customers might take 10 minutes to make a buying decision. Some might make 10 days, 10 months, 10 years. So you need to make sure that you're getting a return no matter when they make a decision. We do have tried and tested things we do to get your results up. I guarantee if you come along to this 2.5-hour session, it's jam-packed with content. You will have action items and insights and strategies to basically make your life easier, to help you grow your brand, get more customers and so on, no matter what style of business you have. I'll be running the session personally and I'd love to see you there. If you want a special offer at the moment we're rolling with, because we haven't run a face-to-face session in 2.5 years, you can use the coupon code FRIEND and you'll get a ticket for $10. So super low cost, bit of a no-brainer. If you don't see value in the session, let me know. I'll give you your money back and I'll give you a copy of every one of our books. I guarantee you'll walk away with things that will improve your business for you, and hopefully I'll see you there.